The writers and actors are on strike.
Still.
So we're doing this.
Hello!
I'm Haley.
I'm Piper.
I'm Savannah.
What are we doing today?
We're gonna bake a cake.
How are we baking the cake?
I'm gonna be blindfolded.
I'm gonna be hairless.
Yep, that's definitely the term. And I'm not allowed to talk.
Thank God.
We walked in the dollar store. We were trying to pick out a flavor. I said, oh my God, guys, like, what, should we maybe, like, all vote on something? And Piper said, I like white cake, so we should go with that.
That was the end of the conversation.
Also, it was the only cake available, so I don't know what everybody's bitching about.
Wasn't there chocolate or something?
No, there was either white cake or, like,
Birthday
funfetti. Yeah.
Yeah, I like funfetti.
Gross.
Okay.
What's it like being wrong?
What's it like being a bitch?
Okay.
Do you think we're gonna do good?
Yeah, I think it'll be fine. I think between the three of us, we can do fine.
I agree.
Do you have a hand mixer?
Yeah.
Perf.
And a whisk.
No prongs though, just this.
Oh.
I thought we'd stick it in it and then. Where are the... Found them.
Did all I can do.
Where's the other one? We just have one.
That's unfortunate.
That's okay, that's all we need.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Tastes like shit.
I made it.
Oh, shit. We're gonna take Piper's lashes off and we'll put them back on later.
Just like that.
Oh.
Oh, I glued them good. Oh, I didn't even glue
You didn't
yours.
even glue 'em.
Yeah.
Do you want them in the shot like that?
I want him to be part of the video.
Yes.
I'm about to play loud metal music in Vanna's ears. It's not even metal music.
Okay.
Oh, that's...
Okay, now you shut up. Okay, we're starting. Okay. Haley, preheat the oven.
You need help?
Yeah. Did you already put it in?
Cake mix, water, oil, and egg whites. How many eggs?
I don't know. Oh, no.
3 eggs. Am I yelling?
Am I yelling? Let me crack an egg. Get out of my way.
Yeah.
I hope that landed in the trash can.
There's gonna be some shells in there. We need 1 cup of water. And half a cup of oil.
Oh. Okay, where are we at?
No. Oh.
Just mixing it. Okay.
Beat by hand vigorously.
I'm not
For 2
beating
minutes.
nothing by hand. We can do it with the mixer.
With the mixer.
Did we already put the oil in?
You're so dumb. You are really dumb.
I hope Lucretia doesn't see this. Oh,
What?
we made a dire mistake.
Why?
Because I bake a lot, and I know that if we're making a white cake, then we were only supposed to do the egg whites.
What's she saying?
I was correct. I know I'm correct.
Cake mix, water, oil, and egg whites.
Yeah, we did the whole egg.
Or whole eggs.
Okay.
It said whole eggs.
It's just gonna be slightly yellow. Okay.
No, you gotta keep going, baby.
Okay. these eggs out of here.
What? You want me to pour it? You don't want to pour it?
Pour it.
Half it. Oh. Oh. That's good. That's good.
Oh. Yummy.
It's pretty good. You're just standing there helpless, Piper.
Oh.
There you go. I'll lick the bowl.
That was audible. Whatever she just did was audible.
I think it's good. It got on her shirt. It's fine.
Should we put them in the oven? Okay. I'll put them in the oven.
Okay. We're putting each cake in there right now. Oh, Piper's gonna do it.
I'm gonna burn the shit
Start
out of
the oven.
myself.
I don't know what you're saying. Put one cake there and one cake there. No. Piper. That's not gonna fit.
I'll just
It don't
stand
matter. We're
here.
gonna wing it. Oh, start the oven. What are you doing?
We already started the oven.
Oh, preheat the oven.
Oh, it's not preheated yet. Okay.
Okay, but what'd she say?
It's not preheated yet.
No, we did not preheat it.
No, we did. It's just not done. What?
Heat oven to 350. Oh, so we gotta wait. Okay.
Well, I really hate to be this guy, but I really have to pee.
I've been licking all over that.
Yummy. Am I still in shot? Savannah. Okay, yeah. Savannah.
What?
Never mind. Okay, thank you. Got it.
Piper, did you touch my butt to make sure I wasn't Haley?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go off myself now. Is that her?
Ew. I have spiders on me?
You gotta go potty?
Yeah, I have to go tinkle.
Okay, let's go.
Wash.
You just ditch her?
She took off her blindfold. Your ears. Oh no.
What's wrong with my ears?
Alright, Pip. Alright, everybody assume the position.
Hold on. I got cotton mouth on this bread.
Okay, you go put that in the oven.
She's gonna burn herself.
I can't put it in the oven. I'll burn the shit out of myself.
Put one on each.
Well, while it's baking, can we just not do anything?
What are you saying?
Okay. All right. Ooh, sprinkles. Oh. Y'all, sprinkles taste so good.
Ew, why does it look like that?
Y'all.
Let's try to taste this. Oh, but it's good.
This is yummy.
It's delicious. I could have shared, but I did it.
I'm gonna need you to repeat what you just said. Up, down, time. How long? I don't know how long.
Did we not set a timer?
No.
30 minutes. Okay, well, it's been in there for 5.
Okay, well, while it's in there, we can take all our shit off, right? Because I'm not doing this for 30 minutes. We'll be back in 30 minutes.
Later.
All right, let's do this.
Hi!
I think it's time to get the cake out.
Do a fork.
Use a toothpick.
Yeah, toothpick. They're right
Yeah, right there on top of this.
Somehow I made it through.
Didn't know how much I know the cake is done or not.
If it comes out clean, it's done.
Jasper, you're not making this cake. We are. Give me the sprinkles.
Are we putting the cakes on the plate?
Are we gonna stack them?
In a minute. We'll let them cool off. Okay,
Well-
in 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
What? She's trying to do sign language, bro.
What? Time. 10. I just heard it.
Later.
Yeah, it's not been 10 minutes
It's
yet.
definitely been 10 minutes. Be quiet, Mark. It's been 10 minutes. Let's do it.
So we're gonna take these out.
Oh no. Oh. Oh no. off. It's
Yeah,
definitely
it's
been 10 minutes. Be quiet, Mark. It's been 10 minutes. Let's do it. That is awful. You're not doing that one.
I think I'm doing pretty good.
Hey.
Okay. Okay.
That one turned out good.
Okay. Okay.
That one's wait. Quick. There we go.
My hands are greasy.
Oh, we forgot to do the buttercream. We forgot to do the buttercream. No, we're not doing body cream. Okay. Okay. We're using a spatula, correct, to do the buttercream? Yes. Here. Yeah.
Okay.
Just, so a little bit more?
That should be good.
Like a good spoonful. Yeah. 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 Okay. No. Oh no.
What happened?
Our cake fell apart.
Okay.
Yeah. Drop it like that. Yeah. Our audience is they look so scared right now.
Am I doing good?
Uh-huh. That's good. Perfect amount. There's no more left, I don't think. I think you're gonna be really happy with our cake, Piper.
Okay. How's it look? Can I take my blindfold off?
That looks really bad.
I can't yet.
Sprinkle.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
You know what?
Yes. How much sprinkles do we want?
All of them.
Oh.
Ta-da!
A finished product.
Oh,
Do you love it?
I love it so much. Dig in.
I'm gonna piss my khakis, do me too.
You so confidently carved it and slapped it on the fucking tray.
All right, it's time for taste testing.
There's more cake in the thing. There's like just
Just leave that there. Share a plate.
yeah.
They don't need a plate. They're just gonna
Oh,
eat,
Oh,
eat from the source.
Eat from the soul.
It looks so yummy.
No.
I don't know where to start.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy. Come on, get a bite of it. No, that doesn't have everything on it, Mark.
You have to get sprinkles on it.
Try everything.
Oh.
Nope. Okay.
Oh, you take a bite. Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
It really falls apart in your mouth. And before too. Yeah. It's a real,
I'll give it like honest review.
it's a real crummy cake. Crummy cake.
Oh. Oh shit.
Yep.
Are you done already?
Yes, cake.
Is it caking?
Why don't they love it?
Something.
I guess let's
I
put
think we
it.
did pretty good.
I bet you it tastes amazing. They're just
Y'all want to try a
dramatic.
bite?
Put it. Let's put it right here.
Yes.
My hip just exploded. I think it's an appropriate ending, to be honest.
Here's one spoon. Here's one.
It's a fork.
Oh.
That was really hard to
It's a
swallow.
fork.
How is it?
Tastes like cake.
I taste icing. And
Wow.
ask questions.
Trying to get both.
Oh, your hair on this one.
It's sweet.
It's something.
Oh,
Haley.
it's like diabetes.
Uh-huh.
Straight like more full of
Congrats.
diabetes.
Haley likes it.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
I like icing.
1 out of 10.
Yeah, let's rate it.
10 out of 10.
I'm gonna say it's a
As she's coughing it up over here.
I'm gonna say it's a solid 9 out of 10.
Solid.
Mm-hmm.
What about you?
I'm gonna give it like a 6.
Why?
It's not my favorite cake. I'm gonna be honest.
It's the flavor.
I'm going
It's the representation.
The
presentation-
The representation. Who is this cake representing?
Of our work. It's representing our work. And then it's creamy.
It is creamy.
I would say the icing is very
Icing.
concentrated, and I think it's
Thanks
like
to Piper.
soggy.
Yeah.
You took 3 bites.
I like icing. I'm not hard to please.
Well,
That was that.
that was that for sure.
Do you have anything to say?
Not our best work, but we should try it again.
It's the friends we made along the way. Come here, guys. I love you.
It's not about the destination.
Like an
It's the journey.
It's a journey.
Let's go back to where you
It's not
could
about-
talk.
It's not about the destination. It's about the journey.
I love it.
What are we gonna do with this?
I think we should wait for your mom to get home and give it to her when she gets back from
Can we
vacation.
put it in the freezer? Saran wrap it and stick it in the freezer?
Yes.
This didn't go as well as Brittany's.
No.
No. This I think I did my part.
You certainly did.
And did. So that was making a cake. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
You wanna say anything while you're sitting on the counter?
I'm so enjoying my time. Listen, I'm really enjoying my time. You are up close and personal.
There once was a spider that landed inside
Feels
her
heroid.
and took a big shit and spit inside her cider and said, "There's a spider in my apple cider." And she said, "Ew, yuck! Who wants to drink an apple spider?" I don't know what's so funny.
That's a knee slapper!
Not that funny.
I don't know what was so
I've
funny.
never heard that shit before. But the way he said it was so much heart. He made it funny. Good job, Martin. Y'all are mean to him.
Thank you, Vanna. Fuck! That's what I've been saying this whole time.
Let me just try an outer piece and redeem it.
It's rough. It's dry.
Adam Sandler, what are you doing here?
I'm coming to see them play games.